Oh, my people, so welcome to this segment. This segment I want to show on the different things where they carry how to make my chicken sweet weller. So here for the tray we get onions, maybe we get pepper, this one is pepper, we get garlic, we get onions, and we get ginger, then we get our dry pepper, we get our cubes, that one, any cubes where you like, if you just use them, and then we get this other onions. Now while we get to section of, okay, before I go to that one, I'll talk about the chicken. This now our chicken we done already, they don't do and finish now, to just arrange them well. Then we get our groundnut oil. If you put butter inside if you like, but basically groundnut oil, you know, you guys put that one, make the thing yummy well. And then we get our own flour. So back to why we get two onions. For me, some people they prefer to, you know, do the chicken raw without parboiling, but for me, the way they do them, they always parboil and make everything enter body. So for this our fresh chicken, go parboil them and then do these onions, these other one I don't slice well, steam them for fire, make things enter body, and from there we now come back to the real deal, maybe our barbecuing. So like I said earlier, this is now our pepper, this is now our garlic, and this is our onions for the sauce, ginger, and then basically these are all what you need, make it for do your sauce, make it go well. So join me in the process of me grinding everything and making it what we need to use. So thank you, just keep following us. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. My good. All right, so here now I'm into on parboil. You don't see us everywhere on stew. Everything is soaked on their own. So this process for me don't give us a step ahead to waiting you want to achieve. So this is now our chicken. So this is now our chicken. We don't finish the parboiling part of it, and then we don't finish our blending part. So if you see, our sauce is ready. So you now pour this in. Remember what constituted your sauce, which is your garlic, ginger, onions, and pepper. So at this point, now add your groundnut oil. This one we'll put not there now. So like this, our sauce is about getting ready. Remember the remaining cubes, I'll put them in. Put your salts and stir it. So as they stir them, so everything don't arrange body. Okay, so my people, these are the rounding part of it, the main parts will be the barbecue. So right now the chicken will be there inside sauce. I don't come out them now, begin put for the foil. Some people they do open fire barbecue, but me I prefer the foiling part so that the fire no go burn the meat itself, so that when we come out from the foil, you will see they're fresh. So this one, so I don't see sauce there everywhere, so I will just fold them and then put it on the fire that has already been burning. Okay, same goes for this. Oh yeah. So depending on how you like pepper rich, we put as many pepper, but the thing is, say make sure say cover everywhere, so all the sauce will be inside the fish. Let me get another foil. We put plenty chicken inside one foil if you want to, but the whole thing is make sure your pepper, your sauce is there on top. This sauce is called fresh pepper sauce. So all our chicken there inside fire as we speak, so, and then as the fire they burn them, so they make them they nice well. So let's wait for approximately, can wait for 30 to 40 minutes so that make everything go well. So let's get to the barbecuing part. The normal charcoal, you need to keep blowing the charcoal so that it's gonna be hot all the time. So I'm still blowing the charcoal so that the heat will keep burning. But if you're using maybe your oven, you don't need to be blowing the oven. The oven will know what to do. But for us in the charcoal, you need to keep the fire on. We just want to have that brownish looks for our chicken so that it will be nice. And welcome back. So here we go after long time of barbecuing, intensive firing and all of that. So we've been able to have our chicken ready. So you know, say listen, sometimes it depends on what you use drum. If na grill, you get the temperature where you go set them, you go make them faster. But if na charcoal we use like our own, so you know, you guys give them time, make it done well and all of that. So right now we don't finish. You see as it be. One thing for this barbecue, you see, as they do make sure see your chicken don't get this brownish spot where they, because as you get that brownish spot, it means say the thing done, the fire don't knock them well. Like this one as it is. So when that brown spot day, now be say you don't your thing don't go far. So see our foil don't dark finish because of the intensity of the heat and all of that. So this is how it went, and so it will be. Mark come out and make you see. Whoa! So this meat as it is, so they ready for consumption. So my people, now this is our chicken barbecue we don't do and finish. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then don't forget say we get other barbecue, we get catfish, we will see they run that one too. We get croaker fish too. So this is now the end product of our hustle. So get ready. I don't know if you go join us as we go dismantle the whole thing, but thank you very much for tuning in and God bless you.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Make Am, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Make Am, or you fit even call us for this number